model, 64 Plate Mercedes Cls 220 Amg Line 2.2 CDI Bluetec Automatic needs easy repair bargain. Body, white, Saloon. Mileage, 205,924. MOT, the 26th of February 2026. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651D22 Seychelles Rupees D. Transmission, automatic rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox cooler has a leak, all the fluid leaking out. Gearbox cooler needs replacing, engine and gearbox should be fine once leak is repaired and fluid topped up. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life.